How to turn on Do Not Disturb, formerly Focus Assist, in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you where to find it now that Microsoft has moved things around. First, click on the date and time area in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. From there, this opens the notification center. After that, look at the top right of that panel for a bell icon. Following this, click the bell icon to turn Do Not Disturb on. At this point, all notification banners and sounds will be silenced right away. Once done, click the same bell icon again anytime you want to turn it back off. If you'd rather set this up through Settings instead, open the Settings app and go to System, then Notifications. From here, you'll find the Do Not Disturb toggle along with options to schedule it automatically. Keep in mind, Do Not Disturb doesn't delete your notifications, it just holds them in the notification center until you're ready to check them. That's how you turn on Do Not Disturb in Windows 11. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next one.